Hi, I'm Michael Cohen from Advanced Tubular Technologies. I'm the developer of VTube-LASER software. VTube-LASER is designed to measure tubes very quickly using measuring centers like the FARO ScanArm. What I'd like to do in this video is a speed test to show you how quickly I can reverse engineer this tube complete with bend radii using the new bend profile measurement method in order to build a complete SolidWorks file that's parametrically controlled. So let's get started. And that's it. That's how easy it is, and that's how quick it is. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at michael.cohen@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.